morning. Dropped off Aiden to school and I'm just sitting down with my breakfast. I have hash brown patty, chicken patties, trying to get more protein in the morning, and then also I have like a dry fruit omega-3s mixture. Then I already had my turmeric water, and then I'm gonna go work out once this is done, and then let's start the day. Alright, today is, I think it's cardio today. Today is cardio day. Let's see. Yeah, Wednesday is cardio. Whoop. Okay, there goes the board. I have the workout printed out here actually, so it's easy for me and I don't really have to think every day about it. And then today is cardio, so I am quickly gonna go to my brother's house, who lives right next door. He has a treadmill. So I'm just gonna go use the treadmill with my 20-pound weighted vest, and I'm gonna do some stretching with this band and then do my cardio and come back and take bath. So that's the plan. I am done with my workout and done with stretching and workout. Dad and
whatever I do the whole day,
yeah,
I keep jogging.
Yeah, he has been obsessed with watching Big Boss lately, so that's why he was watching Big Boss late night last night, so he woke up late.
Boss they will also
Yeah.
give you something.
Big Boss is not gonna give me anything.
They will give you. Big Boss, just so me, people will give you the reward for this also.
And our hardworking Nitish, very hardworking Nitish, who's working in the office right now.
Yes.
Hi, Astro. Yeah, are you playing with the toy? Yeah?
He is very fishy.
Anyways, I'm gonna go back home, take bath.
And take one chocolate, German chocolate.
No, I don't want any. And then get ready for the day. Where's the box? Oh, this. So, let me show you guys. So, our cousin Nikki, she came from Germany this year to visit. And then she got these advent calendar chocolates, and they're basically liquor chocolate. So, let me show you. Hold on.
It has a hard liquor.
Yeah. So basically you open the, it was from 1st of December, but they haven't opened it. I did open some and then I stopped permanently. I'll tell you why. But like you open them and then the chocolate kind of looks like this. They're all same looking chocolate but different flavors. So this is the lemon flavor. I don't know what's written on it because it's German, but it's, some of the flavors are good. Some of the flavors are so bad that I have never eaten that bad chocolate. Like whatever flavor it is, I don't know, whatever they put in it, but I love chocolate and I can eat any kind of chocolate. But this is good ones, I ate them, but the other ones, not edible for me. What are you thinking, standing in the pantry?
No, I'm thinking that what am I going to have for breakfast?
Oh.
That's why I decided in the pantry and then come out.
So anyways, I'm gonna go home and take bath. I am back from picking up Aiden from school. He is having a super delicious soup that we ate yesterday and I had leftover rice cake soup. It's a Korean rice cake soup with egg drop and dumplings and all that stuff. And then it's broken there into the soup, baby. I'll show it to you. And then it has all the goodness in it. And then I am drinking a smoothie for lunch. I love smoothies for lunch, so that's what I am doing. And we also got installed RO yesterday in the house, so that, but the pressure today, this morning, it's not good. So the guy is gonna come right now to check, and
Okay,
we're
now
doing lunch. Yeah.
Already all of that.
So good. So we're doing lunch, and then hopefully today I'll teach Mayank's mom how to bake a bread, so that when she goes back to India, she knows how to do it basically. Just finished a big load of Aiden's laundry, and then I was passing by his playroom, and I saw his playroom, and I was like, oh my god, looks like I need to tackle this playroom today because it's a mess. Let me show you. Look at this. So you guys enjoy watching me tackle this, and I'm gonna go ahead clean it up. Right, the extra storage one is all cleaned up, and then this is also all cleaned up. Nothing on the floor, everything is sitting where it needs to be, and done.
Mom, the tea!
Yeah, I'm watching it.
I'm tea.
Maybe the oil is splattering over here. You can get hurt. Oh, it's very hot, okay?
I did.
Did you get a bowl for yourself?
No?
How will I give it to you?
You can give it me. You did.
Oh, really?